Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. So you want to know more about dog handling tips? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about dog handling tips is www.inch.com. See the page titled American Dog Trainers Network, 12 Tips for a Well. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.caesarsway.com, especially the page Cesar Millan's Best Tips to Stop Dog Barking. Cesar Millan. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.pet-happy.com. The web page 11 Tips for Handling a Female Dog in Heat. Here's the link.